So it's my interest to see how price reacts off this yesterday's close line. Okay, so that's basically what we are watching. Let's take a look at the 1 hour. Yeah, this high is very much open. This low is relatively poor low. Let's take note of this fair value gap. I love this fair value gap right here. So if price eventually takes this low and finds support around the midpoint of this fair value gap, then we are going to enter for longs here. This entry was an early one. This entry, smart money is probably going to dump consecutive red candles to fill in these orders here, these pending orders, this inversion fair value gap. So if this level fails us, this is another clean level that we are going to be looking at. But our main target is this high. It's very neat, very clean, it's very obvious. I'm not really taking any positions now. Okay, this guy may decide to retrace up to this level before going up. So it broke major resistance, inversion fair value gap. I could have used this one or this inversion fair value gap. It's an inversion fair value gap, so anyone would have worked. So turtle soup, here into this inversion fair value gap, broke structure, retraced into this inversion fair value gap. So we're expecting it to break structure down and look at this inversion fair value gap. Price may decide to dip into it completely, but BNB is not actually in my interest right now. What I'm interested in watching is Bitcoin. Yes, I want to watch Bitcoin. So I'm still dancing around this level. I don't know, maybe New York time will bring about the volatility. We don't know yet. I love this level. I love this level. I love this level.